Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Zingoy seller profile and uploading clear business documentation. This unlocks payout options. Once done, add each gift card SKU with denomination, quantity, and delivery method so inventory is live. Make sure to set competitive pricing and factor Zingoy fees into margins. This prevents surprises when orders arrive. Finally, enable instant code delivery for digital cards to increase conversion, and test a single listing to confirm images, title, and price display correctly before scaling. Now create each listing with a short, accurate title, high-resolution images, and explicit expiration or terms. Clarity reduces disputes. Next, configure Zingoy risk controls. Activate fraud filters, set per buyer daily limits, and require verification for large purchases to protect revenue. Once done, connect inventory to an automated updater or CSV feed so stock reflects sales in real time. Also set a reserve threshold for hot SKUs to avoid overselling, and create a standard message template for delivery notes. When orders arrive, deliver the code promptly through Zingoy's messaging and mark the order fulfilled. Quick delivery reduces cancellations. If a buyer reports a problem, respond with calm clarity. Provide proof of code issuance, screenshots, or redemption logs to resolve disputes. If multiple failures appear, pause that SKU, audit your supplier, and issue refunds where appropriate to preserve ratings. Finally, if you can't resolve a chargeback, open a support case with Zingoy and attach transaction records and communication history for faster resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.